Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to design and paint one of these. So let's get started right into the video. Alright guys, so before we start we've got to spray paint these parts. So with primer grey spray paint. So yeah, children, if you're watching this, don't do it yourself. I have got my granddad here to help me spray paint them. So yeah, that's what you got to do first. Just be careful. Don't do it if you're a child, because then it's very dangerous and it's very smelly on your hands.
Right.
And
what have I got on my hands?
And he's got gloves on, which adults, if you are watching this, then you will need gloves on for this.
So can I start now, Mia?
Yeah.
Thank you. So just move out of the way a little bit.
Got to move out of the way before we do it.
Yeah, because it's very smelly.
So we're just spray painting now. It smells of
I'm getting way back up.
It is very horrible. So yeah, we're just spray painting it grey. As you can see, it's turned very grey and shiny.
Oh, that was really good.
Very grey and shiny. So yeah, that is what you got to do.
That is really good. Look how good it is.
And are we doing the inside, Granddad, or not?
We're just going to do a little bit on the top.
On the top of the inside, we're just going to do it just because it looks like, because you're going to put the soil in, so then you won't really see the brown bit.
That's right.
So once it's dried, we're going to add is it white glue?
Well, no, not glue. We've got Mason. Can you get that little bit of paint there to show the people what we're going to do with it?
Yeah.
We have got white.
There you go. Show people.
We have got white colour testing pot. This is white paint, by the way, guys. So that's what we're going to do after.
So once this dries, the primer dries, we're going to do what?
We're going to paint it white.
Paint it white.
I'll let that dry again.
And let that dry again.
And then once it's dried, we can decorate it.
Then begin to paint it with different colours.
Yeah.
Yeah. So while this dries, should we come back later?
Yeah.
We'll tell them.
Yeah, we'll come back later and we will see if this is dried, just because it needs to dry before we do anything else on it.
That's lovely.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Alright guys, as you can see, this spray paint has dried. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to paint it white. It doesn't matter if it drips because you're just going to paint over it. So you will also be needing gloves for this, just because it's paint and it isn't washable paint as well. But you will also need a type of paint to do this. Well, you won't really need a type of paint, but still. And this actually, my granddad has actually brought this today, so it's kind of like, it's quite fun to do things when he comes, because he always has different ideas.
Well, it's like crafts, isn't it, Mia?
Yeah,
we're doing crafts.
We do crafts. We did painting the other day. Oh, it was so good. Like the painting.
And what's the newspaper for, Mia, as well?
And also the newspaper is to cover your table. We have this cloth on it just because it's like our painting cloth when we're making slime and we're painting and doing our, if we're doing a topic for homework or something.
So the newspaper's there for...
So the newspaper is there for...
bit of extra protection, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit of extra protection when you're actually painting, in case, especially the spray paint. We did that on this newspaper as well.
But spraying we did outside, though.
Yeah, spraying we did outside. So do the spray paint outside because You can do the painting inside, but you just need some cover, like protection type of thing. We're just going to paint the whole pot white, but, oh yeah, and all by chances, and that we also, what's it called when you rub that thing on it?
Sandpaper.
Sandpaper. We rub sandpaper on it just so that the paint and the spray paint will stick onto it. And also, you're going to be painting this bit. You are going to have to sand this first and put it on the spray paint, like just around the edges. And don't paint on the inside because you won't really see that side because the soil is going to be in there. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Lovely.
Alright guys, so I've just finished my plant pot and I have dried it with a hairdryer over here, and my brother is just finishing his because he did his after mine because I obviously did the video, the other part of the video like you just seen. So he's just finishing off his, but the next step we are going to do is we are going to design it, but we're going to add in one of these. Oh, okay. Maybe I should do that right after. Okay, I'll do that after. So we will come back in about a few seconds and we will see you guys then. Bye. Bye. Alright guys, so the next step that I want you to do is we have let this dry. And I am going to be using acrylic paint, and I have it in here. You might just want to mix it with water, so it makes it a little bit lighter and it makes it a little bit thinner as well. So yeah, I'm just going to paint it now because it's dried. So I'm just going to paint it like this. And yeah, you can actually choose whatever colour you want for this, just because it is your design. You don't have to copy me, but you can have purple, you can have orange, you can have anything you want. But I have got a whole load of colours in there, and these are all the same paints, just because my dad gave them to me. I got them for Christmas. And yeah, and you'll just need to be spreading it. Like, you don't need, like, you just need to do it like this, just like spread it. You can easily lift it up and go 1. You can even count. Alright guys, so we'll see you on the next step. Alright, I'm going to finish this now. Right, so I have finished doing my bottom paint on the bottom, So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to kind of like design it, but you guys can just cover it in if you have, if you only want one colour, but if you want 2 colours you can do even one on there, or you can even copy me and do another design, or yeah, but I'm going to be doing a marble effect. So if you want to copy me, then just watch and listen, because watch and learn, because and because obviously you want to know how to do it. So this is some plastic wrap of something I don't even know. So yeah, and I'm going to dip it in the paint. You're going to scrunch it up into a bowl and you're going to dip it in the paint and just basically dab it all around. So we'll just, okay, sorry, I'm gonna...
Dab it on there first, just to get rid of some of the paint, just gently. Right, come on.
Then I'm just going to dab it all around to get the marble effect. I mean, this colour isn't as dark, but it's kind of like already if you like pop it on the thing. But you're doing it very, very gently. Do not put too much pressure on this, because if you put too much pressure on this, it won't form into what you actually think it will form into. It will just be like, I'm not even sure, probably something. But as you can see, I'm dipping it in here and I'm pressing very lightly on the newspaper, and I'm just dabbing it basically all around because you want the marble effect to look like a marble.
Can I ask, Mia, is it just red, or are you going to add other colours as well?
You're going to add a few other colours, but this is like your colour that you're just like putting on your bottom part. So it's kind of like just a little practice session. Well, not a practice, but like.
Okay, so once you've done all the different colours, will you come and show us the end result?
Yes,
all right.
I will. Okay, and I will see you guys after I basically finish this to show you the next result. Alright guys, so I am actually just making some flowers on this, just because it's the blue bit felt a bit dull, so we just decided to put some flowers on. And yeah, we will see you guys in a minute to end this video. Alright guys, so this is the last stage of our plant pot. We are going to spray this with lacquer spray paint, and it's just clean basically spray that you put on to protect the paint and to also make it a bit shinier. So, and again, children, do not do this at home if you're watching this, because it is very, very dangerous. Plus, you can get hurt by it, and you will need a parent like my granddad here to spray it on for you, or your parents or carers or any people that look after you that you're doing it right now.
That's lovely. Should we get on with it, Mia?
Let's do it.
Just stand a little bit out of the way there.
Stand a little
Not too
bit
far,
back,
but yeah.
We'll stand a little bit back. Also stand back, because if it touches you, then it won't be very nice.
Okay, so we'll let that dry and then we'll give it another coat. Then once that's dried, should we show your viewers the end result afterwards?
Yeah, and we will also obviously say the ending of this video.
So you'll be back then.
I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is our plant pot. It took us all day. Like and subscribe to this video. Also click that bell notification button. Comment down below what video you'll like next. Alright guys, keep calm and have fun. Oh!